So yeah, rate of change is a ratio that shows how one variable changes with respect to another. On a linear graph, that is called your slope. Now you all did slope a lot in 8th grade. I know last year was a weird year, so I don't know if you all would have learned that before we left for COVID. Did y'all learn that before COVID? Or?
I think so.
Okay. So a slope is written as a ratio of the vertical change rise to the horizontal change run. So the way you'll hear this a lot is as rise over run. So you write it like a fraction. You'll put your rise, how much you're going up and down, on top, and then run is left to right. So this remains constant for any 2 points in the same line. It could be written as a fraction in simplest form, and the variable for slope is m. The way that I remember that is I think of mountain. So mountain has bunches of slopes. M stands for mountain. That's your slope. All right, so we have 4 different types of slope. We have this type of slope. If it's slanted up, what type of slope is that? Positive. Then we have a slope that's slanted down. What would that be? Negative. I know those aren't the most beautiful lines, but you can still tell they're going down and up. Okay, if we have a slope going straight left to right, evenly flat, what type of slope would that be? Zero, good. So that'd be no slope. And then straight up and down.
Undefined.
Man, y'all are geniuses. Yeah, undefined. So I call that the death slope. If you tried to ski down that, you would die.
Dead, bro.
Yeah. That's not skiing, that's falling.
Yeah, we watched the video last year, I think, about
Yeah.
this. That guy was skiing down the hill.
And he was going up.
He was like, positive. And he was like, nice, negative.
I don't know about that one. So yeah, M is rise over run. So, number 1, you go from one point, and you always start from the furthest left to the point on the right. So we're rising, we're going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our top number is 7. Since we went up, it's a positive 7. If we had gone down, what would it have been?
Negative.
Negative, good. And then we went up 7 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 over 4. Can that be simplified?
No.
No. So you're done. And guys, a quick way for you to check to see if a number can be simplified is to use Desmos. So just type in 7 over 4. Then press that fraction button. And that fraction button will show it simplified. So it says 7 over 4. Okay, so number 2. Start from this point and go down. We went down 1, 2, 3. So is that a negative 3 or a positive 3?
Negative 3.
Negative 3, which I already wrote it. But so then we go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is negative 3 over 9 simplified?
Yeah.
Let's double check it.
Negative 1/3.
So negative 3 divided by 9. If you press the fraction button, it simplifies it for you, and it says it's negative 1/3. So guys, Desmos is going to be your best friend on this. If you use Desmos, it's very quick to find your simplified fraction. All right. Number 3. What do you notice about this one? It can't go up or down, so it's 0 over 4, which is just what?
4.
What's 0 divided by 4?
0.
0. So anytime it's just left or right, just know the slope is 0. Or you could write out the word 0. And then straight up and down, we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but then we don't go left or right any. If you type in 5 over 0 in Desmos, you're going to get a weird answer. It would say undefined. So anytime you're unsure, you can always double check in Desmos. But anytime you see it's going straight up and down, the answer always is undefined. Questions? All right, go ahead and do the next page on your own, and then we'll check it together.